Hello everyone, welcome to part 65 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the product listing page, and in which we have already shown the products. Okay, so the products are dynamically coming from the admin panel, and we are showing we are getting the products like this is the men is the category for us, and t-shirt is the subcategory for us, and men is having all the products of its subcategories like t-shirts and shirts. And if the user want to see the specific category, then he can open any of the subcategory like t-shirts. Okay, so we are going to add further details to our categories, and for that see, we are going to add now these information. We are going to show the product brand. Okay, here you can see that we have shown the product code, we have shown the product code, we have shown the product color, we have shown the product name, prices. But now we are going to show the brand of the product. We already having the brand of the product, we have created the brand. I'm going to log into the admin panel and we show the brands module. We have created the brand modules. uh, Here the brands module, every product belongs to some brand, and those brand we are going to show with here somewhere. Okay, we are required to show somewhere because maybe the user wants some specific brand of product. And here in filters as well, we are going to add the brand. See, the brands are here. Okay, so it is mandatory to show the brands with every product. So we are going to show here RC01 red. First one is the product code, then color, then brand. Okay, you can highlight the brand as well if you wish. Okay, or you can do in the same way. So for showing the brand, we need to create the relation between product as and brand. Okay, so every product belongs to some brand, so we are going to define the belongs to relation, and that we have defined earlier as well. We can open the product model here, and you can see we have the section relation belongs to section, every product belongs to section, every product belongs to category. Now every product belongs to brand as well, and for that we are going to add the brand function here, public function brand. Okay, we will name it as brand, and every product belongs to some brand dollar this. So that's why the relation will be belongs to, and here the brand will come app models brand, and here the brand ID will come. Okay, so this is the relation, brand relation, and this relation we are going to attach with our, going to include with our categoryDetails function. So we are going to open that what is the file name, that is the products controller that we have created earlier. This is okay here. So with our product, here we can specify the brand. Okay, so we can check once. We can open, and here you can see the brand information will come with every product. You can check it out. Okay, so here like this product belongs to the Gap brand. Gap brand array has come, and this product belongs to the this arrow brand, so brand array also comes up. So every product will have the sub array, and that will we have the brand array. Okay, brand array with every product. Okay, so that we can pick the brand name. Okay, we are going to select particular data from the subcategories here. Like we have the particular data, we are fetching the particular data that is ID, category name, and URL from the category model. In the same way, we will fetch these data from the subcategories as well, along with the parent ID that we require as well. So subquery we are going to add here, function $query. Here we are going to add $query, then select what we want to select. All the columns will come up here, like ID, parent ID also we require. In case of category it is not required, but in case of subcategory it is required. And after that, category name, and URL. Okay, also square brackets are required here, starting from here and ending here. So we are going to check once. I'm going to refresh it and see here, we are having men subcategory and subcategory. See, we want to fetch this category details here. Category products are coming now. See, we're going to check here. Now see, now we have the specific details. You can see we don't have the complete details, only the details that we require so far. Okay, both for the category and for the subcategory. Okay, so both are coming fine now. Category details as well as the category products. Category products is also having the brand now. Okay, so see, the category products is also having the brand. So we are going to use this one in our here there in blade file. We're going to use the brand in our blade file. So I'm going to open the listing blade file, and here we are going to use the brand. And see, after product color, here we are going to show after product code and product color, we are going to add one more here, one more li, and we will add hash separator here. Hash separator here we are going to add for the product color, and here we are going to add the brand, and brand is coming under the brand array. So we are going to add here brand array, and in brand array the name, we are going to fetch the name. So it must come. We are going to check here, refresh, and we'll see the brand name is coming with every product. You can see Gap brand is coming with this one, Arrow is coming, Lee is coming, Arrow is coming, Gap is coming. So the brand name is coming. You can see, I hope that you are able to see, this third one is the brand name. Okay, so you can even highlight it, or you can change its color if you want. Okay, so anything you can do. So now one more thing we are going to do, we are going to show here number of items as well. Okay, and also we are going to show the description as well. Description that will come from the admin panel. Category description we are going to show here, like for the men, category description. If the admin will add the category description here, that we are going to show as well. Okay, so same description like we have added. So see, also see the another view is also, we need to check its view, and for this one we need to add some dummy data in description of the product as well, also for the category and also for the product. So I'm going to open the admin panel, that template that we have downloaded earlier, eShop template. Okay, and from there we are going to copy some dummy data. I'm going to copy this one, some dummy data we are going to copy. Okay, and I'm going to paste this data. Sorry, I'm going to add this data. First of all, I'm going to add for the category description that we are going to use. I'm going to put it for some other category as well, like for t-shirt as well I'm going to put it. Okay, and for the products as well, for every product I'm going to add some dummy data, so that we can check that how it looks in the listing page. In one view of the listing page we are showing the product description, and product description is also required for the detail page later on. Okay, so it is mandatory to add some product description, and also it is good for the SEO. So you need to add, I am adding just the test product description, but you need to add the real description that the client will give to you about the product. Any product can come here. Some of my friends is saying that only this website is only for the garments, but it is wrong. You can add any product. Okay, I am adding the garment because just to save the time, because we can add it I can add it. See, it's the personal choice. If you want to make the website, sample website of electronics, just to show to someone, then it's your choice. Okay, but you can add any categories. Here I'm going to refresh and we'll go to the different view, and here you can see now it looks better. This view is having the description, another one is not having the description, and here you can see the complete information is also coming here. Start from the image is coming dynamically, and then this code, color, as well as the brand name, then product name, then description, prices. Okay, everything seems to be perfect. Okay, so now in both view it is working fine. And as far as the category description is concerned, we are going to add its description somewhere. Okay, so we can add its description after the categories. Okay, so for that we are going to add description somewhere at the bottom. We can add in listing page, and see, before the paging, here we can add the description of the uh, category. And one more thing, see, we need to check whether the description is coming for the category or not. Okay, so that is required. First of all, we need to check whether the description of the category is coming or not. So I'll give here category details once again. I can do one thing, I can make one more here. Now see, category details. See, description is not coming, so we need to fetch the description as well. And here we are going to add the description so that we can able to fetch the description both for the category and for the subcategory as well. Okay, so now we are going to check. So here the description has come up here for both for the category as well as for the subcategory. Okay, so now we can able to fetch it, we can able to show the description now. And we need to check where we can able to show the description. Right after the products we may show. Okay, so we can try here div, then see description will come in $category details, that is the array, and again category details. See, we can call from here, see category details, and after that again see, this is the category details, then again category details, and after the description. Now we are going to check, refresh, and comment there, this td, comment it. Now see once again, and now see the description is coming, but maybe we are required to show the description here after the products. Okay, it's your choice that you want to show the description here or want to show the description here. Okay, so if you want to show after the products, then we can move it further. This div we can move, and also we not close this div. This div is required to close, and also we can move this div here. Now we can check once again, and we'll see now it looks a little bit better. Okay, so now it's fine, description we are showing here. Okay, otherwise it is your choice that where you want to show the description of the products. Okay, and here as well you will do like this. Here we are showing the description. Okay, so description of the products is also coming, description of the category, and now we want to make this breadcrumb, category breadcrumb dynamic. Okay, and for that we need to update the category details function once again to fetch the breadcrumb. Okay, and for that we will create here one variable we are going to, and here category, here we can call it Okay, so there are two things: the breadcrumb for the main category and breadcrumb for the subcategory. Okay, so first of all, we are going to check whether the parent ID is 0. If the parent ID is 0, then we will show the main category breadcrumb. Okay, so we will add the if condition here. If dollar category details parent ID is 0, else this one. Okay, so here we are going to add only show main category in breadcrumb. Okay, so here we are going to show main and subcategory in breadcrumb. Okay, so here we are going to take the breadcrumb variable breadcrumbs. Okay, so here we are going to add we are going to check here we can check that what we have used here. Okay, see, we are not required to pick the home, but and we are required to pick this one, so we can edit as HTML and we can copy this one and we can paste this one here like this. Okay, so that we can at least get the view. Okay, see, separator is not required, only one separator is required in case of main category, because main category will have only home. Then like if we will open the men, only home and men is required. Okay, so I think the separator is not required in this case. And next one is marked. Okay, is marked for t-shirt, so we can use the is marked here. But in case of here we may require the separator as well, so we can copy, and I can copy this is marked and we'll paste it here. Okay, only the main category will come up here, because the parent ID is 0. Parent ID 0 means it does not have any upper category, so it means it's the main category itself. Okay, so we need to get the main category name. Okay, and we are going to show that name here. In case of men clothing, we are going to show the name of the main category, and that we are going to show here dollar category details. I'm going to show the main category that is coming in the category name like this. Okay, and here we are going to show the main category as well as the subcategory. So we need to calculate the subcategory from the main category. Okay, so for that we are going to fetch first the subcategory. Okay, that we are going to fetch from the parent category. See, we see, this one is only the main category and this one is the main and subcategory. Okay, so here we are going to fetch dollar parent category get category select. We are going to fetch here the category name and URL. Okay, only these two things are required. Where ID is dollar category details parent ID. Okay, see, in this case we are fetching the parent category because we are already having this subcategory here. See, the subcategory is does not have any parent id, because the parent id is 0. But in this case parent id is not 0, parent id is having some value. This is the value that we are going to compare with the id and going to fetch it. Okay, so for this one we are writing this query to fetch it first and then to array. Okay, so now we have the parent category as well. Okay, so see here hash separator. After that we are going to use this one as well. After this one we will copy this one as well, because here two one parent id, one parent category name and one subcategory name will come up here. Okay, here we are going to write it parent category, category name, and then category details, category name. Okay, so we are going to mention their urls as well, like this one. I will copy this one, and here going to put url. Here url will come, that is the url column. Earlier one is the url object. Okay, and now we are going to close dot like this. Okay, so the same way we're going to do for these two as well, but here the parent category will come. So this breadcrumb we are going to use this variable. Okay, so this variable we are going to pass here breadcrumbs like this, dollar breadcrumbs. Okay, in response, so this one will come in response here, it will come up here. Okay, so from here we are going to fetch this one. We are going to send first of all we are going to check that this one response here, category details response, category details. Here we are going to first check it that the breadcrumbs are coming correctly or not. See, undefined parent id, it is showing parent id is not there, so that's why. So we need to add the parent id as well. So for the category as well we need to add the parent id. Now we are going to refresh and see it's coming fine. Breadcrumbs and breadcrumbs, see spelling of the breadcrumb must be correct. Okay, breadcrumbs, its spelling is brand crumb. This is okay, so this is wrong. This is the breadcrumb. We can even search the spelling. Don't put the wrong spelling, it does not look good for the developer. Breadcrumbs. Okay, so going to make it breadcrumbs, and here as well. Okay, fine, and here we are going to pass this one breadcrumbs, and here we are going to add it here. Okay, so we are going to replace these two with this breadcrumbs. So we can check it once and let's see whether it applied or not. Comment it. Oh, some issue is here. Breadcrumbs is having some issue. Data is not coming there, so that's why. So we need to make sure that its data is coming, and so we can see not required separately, not required, because we are already passing inside the category details. So simply we require, I think it will work it like this. let's try like this. It must work. Yeah, now it is working fine. And see, okay, so we need to put it inside PHP code. Echo, let's see if it will work like this. Now it is working fine. You can see the home men. We have opened the men, so that's why it is coming as the home men. Okay, so men is the link, the current link, and home, and also we are going to make it here URL. Okay, home page. We need to redirect to the home page if someone click on home. Now we are going to check here. See, the navigation is coming, that breadcrumb is coming fine. Now home link as well as the main link is coming. Okay, main link is for the main category, and home link will take the user to the home page. Okay, you can see the link is working fine. Okay, so once again, now this time I'm going to some subcategory link like t-shirt, and in for the t-shirt breadcrumb you can see the home link, then the main category link, then the subcategory link. Okay, so all our links are all will also work, like it will take to the main link and it will take to the t-shirts link. So our category breadcrumbs are working fine. So the one last thing that we are going to do here, we are going to show the current products. Okay, so for showing the current products, that is 4 products, so we are going to show here, we are going to update here, we will make it like this, showing 4. Okay, and so for that we are going to disable this code, and we'll make it the another one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and we'll disable this one, and later on we may require to update this one, so that's why I'm doing it like this. So here we are going to make it showing, and here we are going to have the count of our dollar C category products array, this one, dollar easy way to check out for the count of the array. Okay, so here we are going to do it like this, and here later on we are going to do something like this, like showing all. Okay, okay, so right now see, showing 4. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Showing 4. Okay, it will work fine. So here 4 packs are showing, and if we will go to the main men, okay, then see it is showing the 5. Here 5 products are coming here. Okay, so one more thing we are going to do, we are going to check that which product is new, which product is marked as the new, is we are marking from the products. We are going to check is featured, is bestseller. So we may require to check out for last few products, like if the product is the latest one, like belongs to the last 10 products or from last 15 products, then we are going to show it as a new, otherwise we will not show it as a new. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video, along with the paging, along with the pagination. Okay, this pagination we are going to show the Laravel pagination, so that we can show the specific products in one page. Like if there are 50-60 products, then it is not good idea to show all the products in one page, then we will show the pagination. Okay, paging we are going to show. So that thing also we are going to do in the next video, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.